Welcome back. Got a bear. It says, "Don't wake the bear." I covered it up with Craftnique's Universal White Stain Blocking Primer. Looks like this. You can tint it if you want. It has a piece of veneer on top. This is an MDF bear. I got it from Hobby Lobby, so, you know, it's like, what, maybe 1/2 of an inch thick. So I primed both sides, but each time I primed, I did the edge. So basically the edges got twice. And this side got once and underside got once. Even though it's taped, glide press and seal. What a pain in the butt this was. But we made it. One coat is good for that. If it was straight MDF, it would get 2 coats all around. Wood, I just use 1 coat with this. It's so simple, so easy, glides on so smooth, and it dries really quick. I've primed in the morning and painted at night. So it's a great product, which is also, everything I'm about to show you is in the description below the video. That's my cell activator, which is Amsterdam Titanium White and American Floetrol. Look at my Tswipes, man. They're still holding up strong. And I keep leaving them in the paint like a dummy. But it peels right off the straw, and the hot glue held. And I've used them about 20 times. I have 4 of these. Yeah, I love this, because I can't swipe for nothing. A lot of people will use a bigger one of these and swipe across. Forget it. Jen cannot do it. Karen and I were talking about that. She's more assertive with her personality and everything, and I'm more delicate and fragile. But when it comes to art, she's more delicate and fragile, and I'm, you know, like I said before, I'm like that bull in a china shop, wrecking ball kind of person. It's like yin and yang, basically. Maybe go like that, and then I just try to do whatever I can. But if you have any questions, any concerns, anything, message me, you know? That's the best way to get a hold of me. You can tag me and stuff, but sometimes it gets buried in my feed. So if I don't answer you, if you tag me, just message me. I'm going to Mad Lab Art. My website is almost finished, thank God. And I'm having an auction in the next couple weeks. I just did a whole bunch of frames. So, yeah. Alright. I could talk all day. So let's get started, okay? Oh boy. Something's telling me to go like this. And I don't want to add a lot of paint this time. But I think I just screwed up big time. So we'll push that back like that. Okay, so see how I did that? See how I pushed and I just kind of like bring my finger back up? If you like go too fast or, you know, too much or anything, you're going to make yourself bubbles. And bubbles cause measles, and measles are bad. Get some sticks. Like, no, dude. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with black. Here we go. My mystery interference. The brown over the interference. Okay. Now our bronze. See, I have my cup turned to the side and it's going straight instead of squiggled. Red. I don't think I want a red. I was just talking to my girlfriend tonight, and I was like, I cannot speak. I don't know if it's neurological or if it's just me trying to move too quick and not slow down. But it's getting bad, you guys. Brown. Mural of the brown. And then this dude right here, cinnamon brown. God, I love this color. In and out like that. Because we love that color. We got our gold. So I'm going to whip this activator real quick. I'm just using American Floetrol. I'm going to pour it. Not yet, dude. You cannot go out the back end of my bear. That's pretty cool looking, right? Oh, man. Look at that. That's it. Oh, my gosh. Big cells. Like, no whammies. Come on. That's pretty cool. Like, whoa, dudes. Look at that. Give that a second to marinate. I think I'm going to put some brown down on the legs. Do our little white. Just enough to cover the feet. Just so the paint will slide. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get to it and do this. Hold on, I gotta turn my cup to the side. I can't help myself. That was beautiful. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. Because that is fantastic! Just enough to go over the edge. Okay. I'm offering lessons for the holidays. Virtual private lessons. I'm doing 2 lessons. You're welcome to message me or leave me a comment and I'll give you the link to my messenger on Facebook if you don't already follow me. But that has worked the best for the past 6 students that I've had. I'll teach you the bloom technique with my recipe. We do it together and then I cut you loose and you go and practice for like a week or so. And then we come back for another session and then we recap everything, like where you're struggling and whatnot. And it's clicked. It works, you know. I wish I can figure out a way to come up with revolving lessons where, I mean, they got all the kids in school with the Zooms and everything. That would be really cool to do with everybody. But I don't know if I'm ready for that. I would be so stressed. I don't want to fail you guys. Oh, come on, Jen. What should we do? What should we do? I really wish you guys were here with me. Or let me go back to doing what I was doing and just bring it down and just be alright with some stuff. I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, what the heck is she doing? But I've been down this road way too many times to know. Like, wow. Alright, that's it. I can't anymore. I can't do it, man. The feet are going to be brown. I'll figure it out. You know what? No. They're not going to be brown. Let's do brown and interference. And I'll dip. I dip, you dip, we dip. Yeah! Like that, because we want cells. Look at those cells. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Looks like he's got booties on. My booty bear. That's ridiculous. Looks like a skinned bear. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Alright, dudes, here we go. Oh my gosh. This is just absolutely insane. Ugh. It's like he's got an eyeball already and everything. But it is cool looking. I just love those kinds of cells. And then those, his little booties. See, that's what just developed, what I just did. Let's turn the flash off. Isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. Any questions, comments, concerns? Check out the links in the description, guys. I have a whole bunch of stuff. And if you come to Art Addicts and join our group, I have a bunch of documents and recipes and, you know, trying to help you guys the best that I can because this has taken forever. Stay tuned for the colors that I used, and thanks again. This is Colorart Interference Red, Bling It Extreme Pastel Lights. This is Pixie Dust, Craftnique Gold, but I also added some champagne to it from Craftnique. This color, I could tone it down just a hair, which I love that gold, but for the color scheme that I'm going for, I needed to tone it down. This is Colorart Cinnamon Brown. I am just absolutely in love with this color. It is unbelievable. It's like you took cinnamon and added red hots to it or something, and yeah, so that's what that looks like. I have a Craftnique Black. Craftnique Black is one of my favorite things to use. For those of you watching me, you already know. I wanted to make a really blood deep red, and the way I did that, I took pomegranate and Vavoom Red, and I mixed those two together. What you see here is not what you get when you disperse them, either with the BRITE tone or whatever recipe you're using. It totally changes. So don't ever, you know, judge micas by the bottle. You can always Google the color and it'll show you, you know, swatches or whatnot. Colorart has a 20% off coupon in my description as well. The link to my group. We're here to help you learn and grow. There are some amazing artists in there. Copper. And this is the pre-dispersed mica pigments from Craftnique, which I absolutely love. It's just... This is Nutmeg. Can't tell you what this is. This is a leftover, but if I had to guess, it looks like Interference Gold and Red from Colorart, which is awesome. Alright, so here's my bear. It's been resined. Ready to go. Sorry about the glare. I like doing this in the dark because it really brings out everything, all of the details. Or sunlight. But it's like midnight right now, so I gotta make do with what I got. Isn't that crazy? It's like bouncing off the pine cone. I love his feet. Anyway, this guy will also be up in my auction. I was thinking about securing him to a background, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Bye.